What if Earth suddenly drifted into the collision zone between the Milky Way and Andromeda, the place where two galaxies begin tearing each other apart? The moment we enter this region, the night sky transforms into a living battlefield, stars stretching like molten metal, cosmic dust clouds glowing brighter than city lights, and entire solar systems being flung across the void as gravity itself starts to scream. But behind this stunning beauty lies the most violent environment the universe can offer. Massive tidal forces begin distorting our solar system, shifting the orbits of planets by fractions at first, then by entire degrees. Even the smallest orbital change triggers chaos. Seasons warp, climate collapses, and global weather becomes unpredictable and deadly. As Andromeda's stars sweep closer, radiation levels skyrocket. High-energy particles slice through our atmosphere, frying satellites, destroying electronics, and turning our skies into a permanent storm of cosmic fire. The Sun, caught in the gravitational tug-of-war between two supermassive galaxies, begins to wobble, its balance disturbed by forces millions of times stronger than anything it has ever encountered. That wobble unleashes unstable solar storms that bombard Earth with walls of radiation powerful enough to knock out continents at a time. Meanwhile, rogue stars, dislodged from both galaxies, streak past our solar system at hundreds of kilometers per second, any one of them capable of passing close enough to disrupt Earth's orbit, tilt, or even eject our planet entirely into deep space. And as the collision intensifies over thousands of years, gigantic shockwaves of dust and gas sweep through the region, shredding atmospheres, sterilizing planets, and igniting new stars in colossal, blinding fireballs that outshine entire galaxies. Humanity watches as the sky becomes a cosmic war zone. Blue stars colliding in front of us, black voids opening where clusters collapse, and rivers of starlight stretching across the horizon. Civilization retreats into underground cities, protected by magnetic shields and radiation domes, while astronomers warn that the final stages of the galactic collision may rip the solar system apart entirely, leaving Earth either frozen in intergalactic darkness or swallowed by a newly formed supermassive core. In this scenario, Earth doesn't just face destruction. It becomes a powerless passenger in the largest cosmic event the universe has ever shown us, the merging of two giant galaxies where entire worlds are erased, reborn, and scattered, like dust in a storm that lasts billions of years. And if humanity wants to survive, the question isn't how we prepare. It's whether any species can endure inside the heart of a galactic apocalypse.